Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your screen in a Webex meeting. Let's get started. First, start or join a meeting. Begin by joining or hosting a Webex meeting as you normally would. Once your meeting is live, look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Click the share button. Then you'll see several screen sharing options including your entire screen, a specific application window, a file, your camera feed, and a portion of your screen. If you want to show your part of your desktop, select the portion of screen option to stay in control. After selecting what you want to share, click share. Your screen will now be visible to all meeting participants. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.